Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Fashion World with GP, and in today's video I'm going to create this very pretty blue glitter eye makeup look. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, first starting with this rose water, I'm taking some rose water in a cotton and then applying in my whole face. Now it's time for the moisturizer, and for moisturizer I'm taking this Vaseline Gluta-High Serum in Lotion. It's so nice for the skin and it has hyaluronic acid. If you have dry skin, then you can definitely use it as your moisturizer. It's done and it's time for the foundation. And for foundation I'm taking this Swiss Beauty high coverage foundation. The shade is Natural Buff 07. After the foundation, now it's time for the concealer, and for concealer I'm taking this Inside Pro Concealer palette. I'm using the light yellow shade from the Inside Pro Concealer palette and applying it in my forehead, nose, under eyes, upper lip, lower lip, chin. I'm also using this concealer shade as my eyeshadow base. Now I'm taking some makeup fixer. Now I'm blending it. Now I'm setting my eye base by using Lakme Absolute Compact Powder. And now it's time for the eye makeup, and for eye makeup I'm taking this Makeup Revolution palette and I'm taking this black eyeshadow from this palette. I'm applying the black eyeshadow in the outer V of my eyes and blending it towards the inner corner of my eyes. Now I will take this light blue. I'm blending the black eyeshadow by using this light blue eyeshadow only in the crease area of my eyes. After that, here I'm doing a half cut crease by using concealer. Now I will take this black eyeshadow. Next I am going to apply this glitter. But first we are going to apply this glitter glue and here. I'm also applying some black eyeshadow in the lower waterline of my eyes. Let's apply this My Glums chocolatey brown stick. I'm applying some highlighter here. My makeup look is almost going to done. Now, lastly, I'm just applying some makeup fixer. This is from Million Colors. And here, this is my final look. So guys, that's all for today, and if you like my today's video and this makeup look, so please keep on watching Fashion World with GP, and see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.